Today I'm going to be saving seeds from these cucumbers. Cucumbers are insect pollinated plants. Insects can cross different varieties of cucumbers that are growing a quarter to a half a mile away. So if you want to keep your cucumber varieties pure, then you need to separate them either by that quarter to half mile distance or by hand pollinating. We do have a video about hand pollinating melons, and it's the same exact method for cucumbers. Regardless of what you do, to save seeds from cucumbers, you need to make sure that they are totally dead ripe. So this started off as a normal green little pickling cucumber. It was left on the vine until it's totally ripe. This one is orange. I have some here that are more yellow. These are actually more green, so we'll see how ripe the seeds are in these green ones. And then I marked these with a ribbon that I tied loosely around them when they were small to remind me not to pick these because these are my seed cucumbers. So I'm going to open these up today and take the seeds out, and I'll show you what to do with the seeds. So you can see this has some rot in it, but I don't know if you can see the seeds there. It's got nice mature seeds. So I'm going to scrape the seeds out and put them in a bowl. The cucumber seeds have a jelly-like coating on them that keeps them from sprouting inside the moist cucumber, just like a tomato. And so we're actually going to ferment these the same way we would with a tomato. So I'm scraping the seeds out into this bowl here. Once I get all of these cucumber seeds into this bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it and mash it up because you can see there's some pulp in there. So mash it all up and allow it to ferment for 2 to maybe 3 days. It might get some mold on it, that's fine. What I want is for this jelly-like coating that's on the seeds to be fermented off. So then I'll just be left with the seeds. So as soon as this fermentation process is done and the jelly-like coating is fermented off of the seeds, then I'm going to rinse them off and I'll spread them out on a plate to dry quickly. If you have a hard time getting them dry, you can pat them dry with a towel first and then spread them out on a plate to dry. You can also put them in a dehydrator on a really low temperature, like 90 degrees. 95 is about as warm as you'd want to go, because you don't want to cook your seeds. Cucumber seeds can last up to 14 years, so I will be planting these for a long time to come.